Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session of the Ganesh IAS Academy related to the previous year question discussion, in which we are going to discuss about the economic questions. Okay, so in this session we will discuss about how to approach the question. Okay, how to solve the question in easy manner and find the key within the question. Okay, so if there is any strategy to eliminate any statement, that things also we will discuss. Okay, so this will easy to approach the forthcoming exams. Okay, so such a way we will discuss it. Let's begin the session. Okay, see, this is one of the most easiest question asked in 2021 prelims. Okay, and it is also purely from the static part. Okay, let's begin the session. Okay, in India, the central banks function as the lender of last resort. Okay, usually refers to which of the following. Okay, so first of all you have to know that RBI is called as lender of last resort. Okay, so why they are called as lender of last resort? Because if there is no other option for the government, if there is no other option for the commercial banks, means they can approach the central bank RBI as the last resort for their need of money. Okay, so that is called as lender of last resort. Okay, so which one of the following statement is correctly means that? Okay, that is the question they are asking. Okay, let's discuss. So the first statement, lending to trade and industry bodies when they fail to borrow from other source. See, first of all, this lender of last resort tag is only for the government of India. Okay, in terms of RBI means it is only for the government of India and other commercial banks. Okay, and also RBI won't fund to any individuals or a company indirectly. Okay, they won't fund to any companies or individual in direct manner. Okay, they will do the refinance activity. Refinance activity is nothing but they will provide money to the commercial bank, and that commercial bank will lend the money to the any individual or corporate. Okay, so they won't provide any lending activity directly. Okay, so they will do usually the refinance activity, but this first statement is actually speaking a direct financing activity. The RBI won't do the direct financing activity, they only do the refinance activity. So the refinance activity is nothing but they will provide certain money to the commercial bank, as the commercial bank will lend the money to any individuals or corporates. Okay, so such a way the system will run. Okay, but the first statement is speaking a direct financing activity, so that is totally wrong. Okay, so eliminate the first statement. So option A is eliminated. Okay, next, providing liquidity to the bank having a temporary crisis. Okay, so providing liquidity to the bank having a temporary crisis, we will take it a hold, that may be the correct. Okay, next, third statement, lending to the government to finance the budgetary deficit. Okay, so lending to the government to finance the budgetary deficit, so that is also true. Okay, so what we said, they will lend to the government of India as a last resort and also providing the liquidity to the bank having the temporary crisis. So they are providing the money to the commercial bank. Okay, so both the things are spoke in the 2 and 3, so the answer is C. Okay, so just by eliminating one you can get into the answer, that answer is C. Okay, so because the reason is the first statement is speaking about direct financing, but RBI won't do the direct financing, they only do the refinancing activity. Even NABARD is not go do any direct financing, they will do only the refinancing activity, which means NABARD will lend certain money to the RRBs, the RRB will lend the money to the any corporates or the individual. Okay, so such a way the refinance activity will happen. Okay, so there is no direct lending activities, So the answer is 2 and 3. It's a C. The answer is C. Okay. So sometimes the static part will be like this also. Okay. It is one of the most easiest question. Okay. Thank you.